Conserving resources. We have to discuss this small topic also. Conserving resources or conservation of the resources. What is the conservation of resources? The protection of the resources. How to conserve, how to protect the resources. Use the resources carefully. That is the only one mantra to protect, to conserve the resource. While discussing about this conservation of the resource, we have to discuss the sustainable development. What is the sustainable development? It is a development considering the future generation. All the type of developments are related with the extraction or the exploitation of the natural resources. But these resources deserve to the future generation too. It is not only for us, it should be kept for the future generation. So the development procedures should be done by considering the future generation. So we should use all the resources wisely, carefully. There is no resources to satisfy the greed of any individual or any group of the people or any country in the world. According to the Mahatma, he says there is resources to satisfy the need of the human being, but there is no resource to satisfy the the greed of any individual. So we can use the resources wisely. So there is a mantra, that is 3 R's. 3R. Who are the 3 R's? Reuse, reduce, and recycle. What's the reuse? Use a material again. For example, we are buying the bottles of oils or the juices. So we can use the same bottle for any other purpose to keep any liquids in our home. That is the reuse. What's the recycle? A new product will be produced again from an old used product. For example, the old metals can be converted into or sent to the factories and converted into new materials like iron, copper, etc. Then, what is the reducing? Reduce the overconsumption. Don't waste the resources. Many people are wasting the food items. Many people are wasting the cloth items. So wear what we need, eat what we need. Okay, so conservation of the resources is very important, even for the existence of the human being. It is very important to conserve the resource. Unless the life on the earth will not be possible, especially in the future time. Mainly, water is very precious. Without the water, the life is not possible on the earth. So, we should use the water wisely. And we have learned to the methods of water conservation. We can use the rooftop water harvesting. We can drain the kitchen water to water the plants, and we can make special storage facilities to avoid the loss of water through evaporation. Okay, there are various methods to conserve the natural resources. Many people think that this is just a free gift. Yes, this is a free gift. Free gifts are not to use without wisely. We should use these resources wisely. So these are the conservation of the resources. Okay, these are the things to convey you. Thank you everyone.